Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to play Geometry Dash Aperture. Firstly, on your PC, tablet or mobile device, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type or paste the following URL, which is geometryfree.com/geometry-aperture, and press enter to load the page. You'll now be taken to the Geometry Dash Aperture game screen. Once the page loads, look for a play or start button on the screen. Click the begin to begin your level. Use spacebar or click or tap the screen to make your character jump. Time your jumps to the music and avoid spikes and obstacles, and enjoy the fast-paced rhythmic challenge of Geometry Dash Aperture. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.